afternoon. I'm Leo with Daily News.
And I'm Cora. It looks like we may have some breaking weather news coming.
Let's go to your weather girl, Callie, and see what's going on.
It looks like we will have a blizzard on the way. This blizzard is a very strong snowstorm with lots of snow and very strong winds. There will be around 10 feet of snow. Do you know what time we can expect the storm? It will start at 6 o'clock and stay around 24 hours.
How cold will it get?
22 degrees. How fast will the wind blow? 35 to 45 miles per hour.
Do you have any safety tips for your audience?
Stack up on food and have plenty of water to drink. What if we must go outside? Wear very warm clothes and wear hats, gloves, and jackets.
Let's send it over to our outside crew and get a first-hand look at downtown.
I'm Sadie. And I'm Rosie. And today we are going to be talking about this man in the building. And why are you out in this weather? Because I'm important to the world. And I'm a nurse. So tell us about your clothes. I'm just warm so I can be comforted if I have to walk home. I'm wearing a hat, mittens, gloves, and a scarf. Okay. If you get stuck, who will you call? I'll probably call a rescue helicopter. I'm Sadie.
And I'm Rosie, and we're going to be signing off.